Assalamualaikum students of class 4, welcome to the 18th video lecture of class 4 maths. If you open your books to page number 14, we have some MCQs given here which we will be solving. The result of the multiplicand of two numbers is a multiplication of two numbers is called the product. Actually in the multiplication problems we are given two numbers, multiplicand and multiplier, and their result is product. If we multiply 1500 with 200, we get the answer 300,000 here. If we divide 4592 by 26, the remainder is 16. Now you have to solve this problem on your rough copies to find the correct answer here. The number left in the end of the long division is called a remainder, which is left out, which cannot be divided further. In the cost of one if one book is 35, then to find the cost of 13 books for this problem, 35 will be multiplied with the 13, and the answer he asks us which operation will be performed. Multiplication operation will be performed here to find the answer. Now for the exercise 1D, if we multiply 4 by 5, we get 20. To get the answer 12, we have to minus the number 8 here, or you can multiply both these numbers and subtract the answer with 12, so you can get the answer here. For the next one, 9 plus 5 minus 4 multiplies 2. We have to find the resultant answer, which is 6. If we multiply 10 with 5, we get the answer 50. Now to get 10, we have to divide it on 5, so we can get the answer 5. If we add 8 plus 9 minus 6 minus 5, the resultant answer, you can solve these problems on your rough copy too. The answer will be 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, minus 8 will be is equal to 0. Now for the next problems, you can 9 plus 1 minus 6 is equal to 4. That's actually true. 9 multiplied 5 minus 3 is equal to 8. That's false, because you get different answer. Similarly, you have to solve all these equations on your rough copy to get the correct answer. Don't just copy the answers from the solution from the end of the book. You have to solve them too. Allah Hafiz.